My name is Victoria Hempstead and I'm an artist. I work predominantly across sculpture, installation and mark making. For the last 9 years I've been predominantly working with metal, and I really enjoy the tactility and how the metal almost has this ability to push back. It tries to form its own path and I have to work in relationship with that. And the end pieces end up being this shared gesture between the material and myself. For Reminiscence, I wanted to firstly look at the site and see what connection I could find between RACV and then my practice. And so I looked at the two City Club sites, one being in Melbourne CBD and then the other one was in Hillsville. Looking at a map, I could tell that the Yarra River was very close to both and began to notice that the tannins and the residue in the river looked really similar to the oxidisation and the rust that takes place in my work.